Okay, in the last video I made a mistake. I forgot the row here. So, okay. To test this function, I will just create a new object from the constructor function. I'll call it test equal new CRUD. TypeScript will complain, so I will just as any. Okay. Test dot create. We need to give it an object, column data, column 2, data 2. To see it, I will just console and log. This should give us insert into undefined, since we don't have a name in this object. It will join the columns, column 1 and column 2, and the values should be question marks. Okay, I am into the dist. I cd it into the dist folder classes. Node. Okay, insert into undefined, column 1 and column 2, and the same question marks to the number of columns. If you want to see a name, you can just dot bind table name, table with 2 e's. I will call that bind will return a new function. I will call it with this argument. Yeah, insert into tablet W. So this is the end result of the create function. Okay, I will start with the next method. The next method will be the update. Prototype.update function. So this will be update table name, set values where conditions or single condition. Okay. The function will take a new data, any, it's an object, and where object will be aware conditions. Yes, it will return a promise of any. Okay, first will be, we will need to extract the set part of the object. Let set part equal set. This is need to be added in every set, in every update query. The prepared array will be array of string. Right now it's empty. I will loop through the new data, and the callback I will use the key and the value to update the set part. Just modify the name. The equal set part. I will concat the key and equal question mark. We need also to use the prepared statements here, and we'll push to the prepared array the value. Push that. Okay, so we constructed the set part, and we had the data into an array. So we need to get the where part, if it exists. Because this will be in the update and in the delete, we need also to filter based on the conditions. I will create an helper method that extracts the where part from the object if it exists. If not, it just will return an empty string. Okay, I will create the extract where statement function. Extract where statement. It will take a where object with the type where conditions and a callback if you want to use the value of any void. And this method should return a string. If there is a where statement, should return it, and if there is none, it will return an empty string. So let where the where part equal sorry, yes, should return a string and the row. Where part, it starts with an empty string. I will loop through the where object, the column name, the callback one, const. I will destruct the operation and the value from the where object. I will access the column name property, operation and the value. The where part equal the where part dot concat. If there is an operation, I'll just add it. Else I will just add an empty string. I will add the column name equal a question mark. I will add space at the end. I will call the callback with the value. Then I will just return the where part. If it has a value, I will return where with the where part. Else I will just return an empty string. So back to the update method. Const where part equal extract where statement. I will give it the where object and a callback. I will add the value to the prepared statement. Create the array. Push val const query q update this dot name, which will be undefined right now. Set part where part. Return the promesify or just the query q and the prepared array. I would console the query to see if we did everything correctly. Okay, we'll test it. New CRUD as any. Just invoke it. Okay. Test.update where the first argument is the new data. Okay, name what what, and the where object, it will be like this: ID value 1, name Paul. Where object I will start debugging new data and I will console the okay. Oh yeah, sorry, the where part. Okay, okay. Update set update undefined set name equal question mark where ID and name equal question mark. Right. I will console the prepared array also to see if we are adding the values there. Where name equal what and ID 1. This should not be undefined. This should be polo. Oh yeah, sorry. Value polo and the operation should be OR. This happens because I should exit the process. Okay. Yes. Update undefined the table name set where ID equal 1 and the name or the name equal polo or and. I will try and. Yes, we can specify the operation. Okay, I will end this video now. The next one I will start with the create update. We need to add insert or select one of them. Okay, bye.